What's happening, party people? I am in the, I guess, Riverside, California area. Went to my nephew's wedding yesterday. That was fantastic. Just fabulous time. Man, so many smart people, most of them lawyers, people getting out of law school. Lot of beautiful people there, people all dressed up. It was over 100 degrees there, but man, it was nice. Had a nice time. Only had to be outside for a few minutes during the wedding ceremony. Then we went inside for a reception area. So that was over in Palm Desert. And man, took a lot out of the day. So I'm glad I didn't have to do anything yesterday or schedule anything hard. But today, we're going to get started tinkering on cars. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert. That's me. This video contains things that I encounter throughout the day. If for some reason I complete a task and you would like to see the details, you could click on the link in the description area below. This video also contains tips and tricks that I learned throughout the years. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. Thank you very much for watching. Kicking off the Tinker Day. Finally gonna put the cabin air filter in lemonade. Airflow that way. Some mentally disturbed person poured something all over lemonade's hood. Man, it kind of sucks. Sticky, gooey stuff all over there. Splash it all over the hood. Man, it's like sugar water or something real thick, like syrup. Anyway, I'm loading up to get up to Sacramento, so let me keep moving. Continuing the Tinker Day in Sacramento. Got a dash out of this beautiful 240. Man, this thing looks nice. Got a couple of little, plastic stuff, but we're going to disconnect the battery and continue on with this blower motor replacement. We're going to do a blower motor and the fan resistor in this thing. Of course, the video to this stuff is linked in the description area below. That's the biggest black widow spider that I've seen in a long time. Where'd it go?
It went up into my car.
I think it climbed in my bag.
No, it climbed up into my car. Right.
Wow. Alrighty. Oh, there he is. He's back. Look how big that thing is. That thing is as big as a 15 millimeter socket. Maybe 18. That thing is huge. Why don't you grab it with your hand?
Yeah.
Don't do that to yourself, buddy. Can you start and drive the car like this?
What's that?
Will the car start and move?
Yeah, I can move it.
Man, is this, there's spiders inside the car. Absolutely, there's another one right here. God dang, right next to my bag.
Living in it.
Look at this thing. This thing is huge. There's one right there, see it?
Oh, it's going in there.
No, you see it?
Yeah. Oh, wow. Yeah.
Them things are freaking. Oh, dude. I don't even want to be living around here. There is another gigantic black widow spider right there. Look at that thing. This place is loaded with them. I'm getting out of Cali. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.